Welcome learners. In this video, we will be continuing exercise 3.3 from Holy Faith International Publication Absolute Mathematics for class 7. This exercise is based on division of decimal numbers, and the portion of exercise that we are going to continue is based on division of decimal numbers. Starting off with question number 4, Rohan packed 17.5 kg sugar in a number of bags. That means the total quantity of sugar is given as 17.5 kg. Here we don't know how many number of bags Rohan has used. If we put 2.5 kg sugar in each bag, that means the quantity of sugar in one bag is 2.5 kg. We need to find how many bags of sugar did he pack. So, as we know, the total quantity of sugar will be equals to number of bags multiplied by quantity of sugar in one bag. Transferring quantity of sugar in one bag to the other side, I will have number of bags is equal to total quantity of sugar upon quantity of sugar in one bag. Substituting the values, I will get 17.5 divided by 2.5. You can see this is the division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So I will be converting the denominator decimal number into a whole number. Here I have only one digit in the decimal part of the denominator decimal number. Therefore, I will multiply both the denominator and numerator with 10. On multiplication with 10, I will have 175 divided by 25. On simplification or cancellation, I will get the value as 7. Hence, the number of bags of sugar is 7. Moving to question number 5. Each side of a regular polygon is 2.5 centimeter in length. That means the length of a side is given as 2.5 centimeters. The perimeter of the polygon is 12.5 centimeters. Perimeter is also given. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Since the polygon is regular, that means all of its sides are equal. Therefore, the perimeter will be equal to number of sides multiplied by length of one side. Shifting the length of one side to the other side, I will have number of sides is equal to perimeter divided by length of one side. Substituting the values, I will have 12.5 divided by 2.5. Again, you can see this is the division of decimal number by another decimal number. Converting the denominator decimal number 2.5 into whole number, you can see I have only one digit in the decimal part of it. Therefore, I will multiply both the numerator and denominator with 10. On multiplication, I will get 125 divided by 25. And on simplification or cancellation, the value will come as 5. Hence, the polygon has 5 sides. Question number 6. If the product of two decimal numbers is 38.745, that means the product of two decimal numbers is given. And one of the number is 2.7. So one of the decimal number is 2.7. Find the other number. Let the other number be x. Since we have been given the product of two numbers, product means multiplication. The product of two decimal numbers, here one decimal number is 2.7 and another we have taken as x. So if we write this statement, it can be written mathematically as 2.7 multiplied by x is equal to 38.745. Shifting 2.7 to the other side, as it is in multiplication over here, on the other side it will go in the denominator or for division. You can see again, this is the division of decimal number by another decimal number, converting the denominator into a whole number by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 10 and performing a simple division. In the rough work, I got the value of x as 14.35. Hence, the other number is 14.35. Question number 7. A car covers a distance of 89.1 kilometer in 2.2 hours. That means the distance covered in 2.2 hours is 89.1 kilometers. What is the average distance covered by it in 1 hour? So the distance covered in 1 hour will be, we will be shifting 2.2 to the other side, which will go in the denominator. Hence, you can see this is the division of one decimal number by another decimal number. Converting the denominator decimal number into a whole number by multiplying both numerator and denominator with 10, I will get the value as 891 divided by 22. On performing simple division, I will get the value as 40.5 kilometers. So the distance covered in 1 hour is equal to 40.5 kilometers. Moving to the last question of this exercise, which is similar to question number 7. Question number 8 is, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. So the distance covered in 2.4 liters of petrol is 43.2 kilometers. Therefore, how much distance will it travel in 1 liter of petrol? In order to find the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, we'll shift 2.4 liters to the other side. It will go into the denominator. The value will become 43.2 divided by 2.4. This is the division of a decimal by another decimal number. Converting the denominator decimal into a whole number by multiplying with 10, the value will become 432 divided by 24. Simplify the value or simplify the fraction, you will get the value as 18 kilometers. Hence, the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol will be 18 kilometers. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.